Welcome to the Home of English. There is an important update today from Staff Selection Commission, an important notice regarding rescheduling of examinations which was already scheduled from 1st October 2020 to 31st August 2021. In view of the assembly elections in the state of Bihar, the following resultant modifications have been necessitated in the schedule of various examinations. First one is JEE examination 2019. Its paper 1 was scheduled from 27 to 30th October 2020, but the examination date is rescheduled from 11/12/2020 only for the candidates who opted for examination centers in Bihar. Only for those candidates who have opted the examination center in Bihar. For others, it is as scheduled from 27 to 30 October 2020. Next is Combined Graduate Level Examination 2019 Tier 2 was scheduled from 2nd to 5th November 2020, but now its new date is from 15 to 18 November 2020. 15 to 18 November 2020. And Tier 3 of CGL 19 is already scheduled from 22nd November, scheduled on 22nd November 2020. Examination for the selection post is scheduled from 6 to 10 November 2020. Now only for candidates who opted for examination centers in Bihar, the date is 14th December 2020. For others, it is as per the schedule only. Next is Stenographer Grade C and D Examination 2019. The schedule is from 16 to 18 November 2020. The rescheduled date, that is the new date, is 24 to 30 December 2020. Next is JEE Examination 2019 Paper 2, that is descriptive. From the scheduled date was 31st January 2021. Now the new date is 21st March 2021. 21st March 2021. So these are the rescheduled dates of examinations by SSC. There will be no change in the schedule of the Combined Higher Secondary Level Examination CHSLE 2019 Tier 1 to be held from 12 to 26 October 2020. Revised calendar of the examination has also been uploaded on the website of the Commission. So that is about this important notice. Prepare well and all the best. Visit the channel for more updates and English lessons. Thank you.